Today we're going to start wiring this trailer back up. What I got to remember is the trailer frame is actually upside down, so my wiring will actually be opposite to normal. Normally, green goes to the passenger side or the right-hand side of the vehicle. I just try to remember green is right, as in the right of way when you have a green light. This trailer has little tubes where the wires will run through, come through, and go off to the lights. There we go. There we go. Here's the other one. So here's what I did to get a good ground without grinding off our exposed paint. I ground off the paint on the other side of it where you can't see it and ran my ground wire on the back side and bolted it up. Simple way for testing your lights while you're wiring them up. Make sure everything's good. Cable running from the negative to grounding the trailer and a positive wire. You're just going to run power to your lights. So this is going to be your driving lights. There's power. This will be your signal lights. Of course, they won't blink because they blink off the truck. I ran 2 more wires for our front marker lights. I spliced it in to our running lights. We got 3 wires going into one. Ran this line, split it, ran it both ways, ran the wires long. You can tighten these up, tape them, whatever. Splice them in, both sides. Now I'm going to do the ground. So next we'll test our lights again just to make sure that everything's good. Grounding to the frame. Positive from the battery like we said before. Connected to the running lights. Okay, so what we've done is we've ran some wire loom to clean up these wires here. Now we're going to use these clamps to mount it to the frame, keep everything nice and clean. I'm going to drill a pilot hole first. Be patient, apply pressure, but not too much. For these, I quite often just use the screwdriver. I find that a little too much torque with the impact causes them to snap. Doing it by hand, you can feel and see quicker as to whether it goes in a little crooked. If it goes in straight, it goes in nice. There we go. That's nice and clean. Just going to keep those up out of the way. They won't get caught up on anything.